After a year of adventuring with the deck system in our 2011 Toyota Tundra, it's proven itself as one of our most valuable accessories. It works great with the deck brand containers or for throwing gear in on the fly. Installation was pretty straightforward, and it fits perfectly into our Line-X coated bed. The whole system feels well thought out with convenient features like these quick access ammo cans and optional integrated drain plugs. The waterproofing has kept everything dry through rainstorms and several pressure washes. The optional Core-Trax tie-down tracks are our favorite feature. They're super adjustable and you're tying down to the steel subframe, so it feels very sturdy. The only two issues we've encountered are a dangerous pinch point in the drawer handle and a broken spring after about a month of use. Just make sure you keep your fingers clear of the handle when you're closing the drawer. DECKED customer service was great and they put a new spring in the mail right away. Overall, we couldn't be happier with the DECKED system and we highly recommend it for your rig.